We have 2 spots left for the Bali YTT, the hybrid, partially online, partially in Bali. So if you've been thinking about it, now's the time. Also just released a retreat August 2nd through the 8th, Kimberly and I, and it's already half sold out. So if you're interested in that. And I hope you enjoy this class. This is from a nearby local beach on a beautiful day with Teddy. Enjoy. I love the quote by Mary Oliver that attention is the beginning of devotion. So may you bring your presence, your attention inward, and let this practice be a little love note for your body. We'll begin standing, feeling the earth meet the feet meet the earth. And begin to push into the feet. Begin to push into the feet. Let the knees go soft so that you can find a little shake. Begin to move however you'd like here. Rolling the shoulders out, maybe rolling the head, the neck out. Maybe it gets bigger. Maybe it's almost imperceptible. Your choice. See what's here, moving some things about. Maybe some sounding, some shaking of the hands, the arms. Fingertips to the sternum, some taps around the heart. Maybe down the sternum. And bring the palms to the belly, to the pelvis. And just tap, 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 tap. Make your way down the thighs as you take a forward fold. Oh, hi, Teddy. And then back up the legs. And you can use fists as well. See what works. Into the hips, coming back up to standing. Hips, glutes. And then down the arms with tapping or patting, whatever feels nice. Just bringing some blood flow, bringing some attention, all the places. And then rub the hands together, get some heat. And place the hands on your face. Feeling that heat, receiving that heat. And then again, rub the hands together, create some friction. One hand on the heart, one hand on the belly. Feel what's here. And then lift the arms up, up, up. And we'll take Kali Mudra and side dancer. So right foot goes behind the left foot. You can bend the knees and reach over to the left. So there's this pulse and shift to the left. So getting long on the right side body. And then begin to turn towards the right and take a step back into goddess pose. It can be a little ungraceful, but just be gentle with yourself and sway side to side. Maybe the hands stay in that mudra and clasp, or maybe they come to the knees, just feeling into the hips here. Just a little exploration. And then forward fold, we'll turn the toes slightly in, heels slightly out. Soft bend in the knees, then you can wag the tail here. Breathe. Fingertips find the earth. Begin to ripple the spine. So push yourself halfway up. Let the back of the heart lead. And then extend the front of the heart as you pour down. And this gentle ripple. And then walking towards the right foot. Left hand plants. Right arm lifts, twist. And then the right arm can come down and curl around the body and then open back up. So curl, lengthen the front leg. And then bend in the front leg as you open, right arm lifts. And then come inside the right leg for a lizard pose. And you can find some stillness here, or you can find some sway. And wherever you are, let the breath be fluid. Let it be alive. Option, you can begin to take a twist. Maybe even bend the back leg. Then grab towards the foot. Just an option. Roll the shoulders back wherever you are and let the heart open. And then transitioning into warrior dog. So the back knee comes up, back heel comes up and pivots down. Warrior two in the legs, downward dog in the arms and the torso. So you're off the left side of the mat, rippling the spine. And then roll up by pushing down into the earth and unfurl into a warrior two. And really pushing through both feet, especially the back foot. Breathe here. And then come towards center with the hands to the heart, lengthen the front leg, and then extend back out into warrior two. Continue like that. You're drawing in and then extending out. And maybe you move with a bit of resistance. Again, meet in warrior two. And reverse. Reverse warrior. Wave the hands all the way down. Step back, downward facing dog. Big sigh here. Lift the heels, wave forward, and then let the knees drip down and the hips shift back into child's pose. But right when you get there, round the back, draw the hands towards the knees and up and over the head into cactus arms. Arc the back, open the heart. And one hand to the heart, one hand to the belly. Take a pause, take a breath. What's here? Hands plant downward facing dog. It's a slow tiptoe walk towards the top of the mat. Well, towards your hands. And then push through the feet as you roll up. Let the back be rounded and soft as you do. And the arms inflate up. This time you're stepping off the right side. Take Kali Mudra. Side dancer, soft knees. There's a pulse to the right. And then we'll pivot. You can turn the front toes just a little bit to help you. And then you'll step into a goddess pose. And keep the knees really soft as you do that. And then sway side to side. Maybe the hands stay clasped, maybe they don't. Just exploring into the hips. Maybe something different this time. And we'll meet in a forward fold. Any variation, but turn the toes in just slightly, heels just out. Option, take the hands behind the back. Steady breath. Staying with the sensation. Let the fingers drip down and ripple the spine a couple times. Undulate. Maybe a sigh or a hum. And then walking towards the left foot. The right hand plants as the left arm peels open, open, open. And then we'll curl inside the left leg. Maybe you wrap the arm around the chest and then open up. Rib cage opens, heart opens, and continue like this. Kind of pouring down, curling in, and then opening up. Add a little flair, a little drama here. And then next time, just pour down inside the left leg, lizard pose. Stillness or sway, but always breath. Maybe taking that twist. You don't have to do the same on the other side. But see what's here. Be curious. Maybe bending the back leg, maybe not. And wherever you are, think about broadening, opening the heart space. So collarbone smiles. Maybe the throat opens just slightly. And then pivot around to warrior dog. So hands off the right side. And then peel open warrior two. And really push through the back foot. Even lifting the back arch. And then begin to draw towards center as the left leg extends. And then sink back down as the arms reach out. And continue like this for a couple times. This contraction and expansion. And then reverse warrior. Reach back and pour all the way down. Plant the hands, step back. Downward facing dog. Lift the heels, roll yourself forward, and then drip the knees down and the hips move back towards the heels. Child's pose for just a beat, and then drag the hands towards you as you unfurl and open, hands over the head, cactus the arms, open the heart. And hands can gently come back into the lap. And just feeling what you feel. And maybe there's a gratitude here. And then hands find the earth. Downward facing dog. A slow tiptoe up, soft bend in the knees and push through the feet as you roll up one last time, slowly, slowly unfurling, maybe with a little vibration. And then again, coming back into that shake, into that current in the body. Let it be organic, maybe a little bouncing, wiggling. Ha, 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 ha. Sound, vibration. Anything else here? And then one more time, sweep the arms up. Let the hands touch and draw them down to heart center. Thank you for your practice. Thank yourself for your practice and gratitude in devotion. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you next time.